Dear students, good morning. Today I am teaching you some more new tags. Have a look on this program. After body, P tag is used, which I have told you already that this tag is used for making the paragraph. And after that, center tag, I told you already. And after that, P tag, B tag, P for paragraph and B for bold. The next one new tag is U tag. U means underline. Suppose you want to underline your text in the web page. In that case, you have to use the U tag. U opening, U closing. Whatever the text you will write in between the U opening and U closing, that text will be printed in the web page as a underlined text. For example, in the program you are looking that the line give your child a vacation. This text is written in between U opening and U closing. And the last one line organized by Kips Learning Solutions. This line is written in the I opening, I closing, which I have already told you I for italic. So let's check its web page. Here you can see third one line. Give your child a memorable vacation. This line is coming in the underline form. This side you are looking program is here and the other side web page is here. Third one line is in the form of the underline. Hopefully it would be clear to you the U tag, U for underline, and whatever the text is written in between U opening, U closing, that text is printed as a underline text. The next one tag sub tag, showing you program. After sub I will tell you about the sub tag also, showing you program. This is the next program. You can see here CO sub 2 sub closing BR. The matter written in between sub opening and sub closing is 2. Means whatever the matter you will write in between sub opening and sub closing, that matter will be displayed below the baseline. Means when we will see this one in the web page, the web page will show CO2, and in the second line it is written H sub opening to sub closing O. And when we will see this in the web page, it will be printed H2O, means 2 will be in the base of the H. I am going to show you the web page. Have a look here. CO2, CO2, 2 is coming in the base. After that H2O, 2 is also coming in the base of H. In short, if you want to bring a text in the baseline of the other text, in that case you will use subtag. Now the next one is subtag. Suppose you want to print the text above the baseline you are looking here, a plus b square equal a square plus b square. You want to print the text above the baseline. In that case you can use the sup tag. Here I am showing you a plus b. After that 2 is coming above the baseline, that's why we have written the 2 in the sup opening and sup closing. This is the complete program. In book it is also given. You can, if you don't have book, you can take its screenshot and check it. Even though if you have any problem you can WhatsApp. Thank you.